Do you fancy winning a training session with me, Paul Merson, for your club or team? Thanks to decorating and DIY specialist Leyland SDM, I will be putting one London-based club through their paces in a one-off football session. And it's the perfect way to get ready for the new season. Not only that, the winning team will also get a brand new kit sponsored by Leyland SDM. It's all part of Leyland SDM's Give London a Lift campaign. Last year we give away 10 prizes of £1,000 worth of materials to sports clubs, community groups and charities across London. To be in with a chance of winning a training session with me, go to leylandsdm.co.uk/trainwithmerson.